Welcome to LegisShift AI, where we trace the structural evolution of the modern financial landscape through the lens of technology, strategy, and innovation. Today, AI is no longer a future concept. It is actively reshaping how organizations create value, drive efficiency, and gain competitive advantage. Automation is displacing rule-based accounting tasks like manual data entry, transaction categorization, and basic reconciliations. As industry leaders often observe, AI won't replace accountants, but it will replace professionals who fail to move beyond repetitive, robotic work. Despite rapid advances in AI, human judgment, ethical accountability, and professional skepticism remain indispensable to sound decision making. As technology reshapes the profession, leading practitioners are leveraging advanced certification frameworks to demonstrate verified competency and credibility. Rather than simply testing new tools, these programs help teams develop the skills needed to deploy AI with confidence and purpose. First, let's examine a specialized framework designed to fundamentally reshape assurance, compliance, and governance workflows in the age of AI. The first program on our list is Becker's AI for Accounting and Auditing Certificate, a specialized credential focused on practical AI adoption. Rather than focusing solely on theory, this program teaches practical workflows that prepare professionals for the realities of modern digital finance. Participants not only gain practical skills, but also earn continuing education credits that formally recognize their investment in learning. Participants learn how to incorporate modern AI tools such as Microsoft Copilot into their daily work, turning theory into practical execution. The program places a strong emphasis on data security, helping professionals avoid exposing sensitive client information to public large language models. Successful completion of the program awards a verifiable digital badge, enabling professionals to showcase their AI competency and commitment to continuous learning. Next, we turn to the Institute of Management Accountants AI and Finance Micro-Credential Bundle, a program focused on practical AI adoption in finance. Instead of merely introducing AI tools, this curriculum prioritizes applied competencies, data literacy, and strategic decision-making skills. This curriculum covers predictive analytics, scenario planning, and financial modeling use cases across corporate accounting roles. The program teaches professionals to manage financial data responsibly while identifying critical AI risks, including hallucinations, bias, and data integrity concerns. The IMA tracks provide practical guidance on governance frameworks, ethical decision-making, and maintaining compliance in AI-enabled environments. It also provides structured frameworks for measuring return on investment, helping organizations scale AI adoption with confidence. Successfully completing all 6 pathways earns this prestigious micro-credential, validating practical, job-ready AI and finance competencies. Our next certification is the AICPA and CINA AI Accelerator Skills Program, a learning pathway built for the future of accounting and finance. This program is tailored for executive leaders and finance organizations seeking to transform AI initiatives into scalable business impact and competitive advantage. This program is tailored for executive leaders and finance organizations seeking to transform AI initiatives into scalable business impact and competitive advantage. The strategic tier focuses on enterprise-wide AI initiatives, while the transitional tier equips leaders to navigate team-level change management. Refined through extensive enterprise pilot initiatives, the program provides a flexible framework for scalable AI deployment. The program awards substantial continuing professional education hours, validating expertise in organizational change management and AI adoption strategies. Finally, we arrive at Miles Education's Certified AI-Ready Accountant Program, a credential built specifically for the modern accounting professional. Known as the Certified AI-Ready Accountant Program, it spans across levels designed to build an advanced technical mindset. The Certified AI-Ready Accountant track teaches professionals to build custom autonomous agents to manage workflows in advisory sectors. Professionals gain practical skills that help them analyze data more effectively, automate audit tasks, streamline tax workflows, and improve productivity. Assessment methodologies are closely aligned with NASBA standards, emphasizing practical reasoning, judgment, and real-world application. Passing these strict certified AI-ready accountant assessments grants your credentials, marking you as a future-ready advisor. Now, we'll explore how these credentials align with the unique demands of specialized financial disciplines and professional career paths. Within client advisory services, generative AI transforms real-time financial data into actionable insights, dashboards, and decision support intelligence. For many mid-sized and large firms, the benefits are being felt almost immediately through faster processes and lower operating expenses. Within tax practices, AI-powered tools assist professionals in researching intricate regulatory requirements and analyzing evolving legislative frameworks. By connecting financial data with regulatory context, this technology helps transform raw numbers into actionable compliance and reporting insights. Management accountants use these tools to streamline cash flow forecasting, improve budgeting accuracy, and accelerate corporate reporting processes. The role now evolves beyond transactional calculation, emphasizing digital orchestration, strategic planning, and data-driven financial leadership. No matter how advanced the technology becomes, professionals must still validate results to ensure the information is accurate and reliable. The next generation of accounting leaders will be those who master the integration of AI systems into daily decision making and business operations. Forward thinking organizations must adapt to a workforce entering the profession with AI as a foundational component of everyday work. These training programs are designed to align human expertise with AI capabilities, creating a more effective and scalable operating model. Verified credentials provide tangible proof of expertise, helping professionals accelerate career advancement and strengthen their competitive advantage. The credential demonstrates to employers that you have verified competencies, practical expertise, and the capabilities required for modern finance environments. By validating modern competencies, these frameworks expand the definition of expertise and strengthen your professional marketability. Whether you choose Becker, the IMA tracks, the AICPA accelerator, or the certified AI ready accountant pathway, continuous learning is no longer optional. Invest in your professional development, embrace technological literacy, and help lead your organization's transformation journey. The ledger is shifting, and those who adapt, innovate, and continuously evolve will stand at the forefront of the accounting profession for years to come. Thank you for watching Ledger Shift AI. Keep questioning, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.